friends,
Namit ko na yan.
our Eureka partners, our Eureka e-cadets, and most especially, the driven and hardworking Eureka entrepreneurs. Welcome to the Eureka Mega Manila Forum. Today, there is an unstoppable revolution that is dramatically transforming the business world. Let me cite a few examples. Did you know that the biggest seller of music does not even own a single music store? Are you aware that the world's largest taxi firm does not even own a single car? Or that the largest provider of room accommodations in the world does not even own a single hotel room? And what's more relevant to you, do you know that the biggest retailer in the US, whose sales are bigger than Walmart, Costco, and the next 6 biggest department stores combined, does not even own a single store? The common denominator among these 4 businesses is that they started going into the internet. Never has the world seen this kind of commercial success across so many different industries. Nowadays, going online and doing e-commerce is not just an option. It is a requirement to survive. And we are here to help you get started today through this Eureka Forum. Through today's forum, you will be fully online as an e-commerce merchant by the end of this day. But of course, this is just the first step. We are counting on each of you to do your fair share of dedicated effort and single-minded perseverance. For example, when you get up tomorrow morning, you need to let more new people know that you now have a new Eureka e-store. So just as you probably did with your current tindahan, with leaflets at the nearby mall or other places with heavy foot traffic, you should duplicate this online via high visibility portals such as Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites. Your goal should be to break the ice and make your first online sale within the first 72 hours. Regardless of whether this first sale is on your new Eureka-powered website or through other popular e-marketplace sites such as Shopinas, Takatak, or Zalora, for example. This is no different than making your first sale at the Santé Tiangge, the monthly bazaar, or right inside your own tindahan, right? It is hard work and needs energy, but so is everything that is worth doing in life. But do not worry, because the support of Eureka Consortium does not end after today's forum. For example, you have the e-cadets who are assigned to you. They can be your personal e-commerce coach, just as we hope you will be their Business 101 mentor. There is the Eureka Secretariat that together with all the consortium partners is open to serve you 7 days a week. Equally important, you have the support of the DTI, as all SMEs are critical to the 2020 Philippine e-commerce roadmap. With their Go Negosyo corners in DTI offices nationwide, they will also be your liaison with the DOST, the new DICT, and the DOT, who are likewise committed to the sustainable success of MSMEs like yourselves. So as you can see, there is an army of committed helpers working for your success. Together with all our partners, we at Union Bank recognize the very critical role that MSMEs play in nation building. You deserve all the assistance that you can get. Your success is a Filipino nation's success. Thus, I look forward to celebrating and witnessing the success of your Eureka e-business with you. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you.